Chef Anthony here at Dawn's Appliances. So excited talking about red onions and how not to cry. So I'm going to show you the best way, super easy, how to cut these onions, and I'm not going to shed a tear, I promise. Okay, I had to cut a bunch of these to figure out the right way, but cleanest and easiest method. You don't want to start chopping a lot. You don't want to start releasing the oils. That's really what makes you cry, what makes you choke up. So here's the foolproof plan. We'll cut each end right down, just like this. Sharp knife always helps. Look at that, beautiful, right? Now we're gonna take our knife, go to the side like this, we're gonna peel off the first layer, okay? Everybody wants to really jump around and get this. This is super easy, all right? Next, in half, okay? Let's look at this, see the inside? This is what we wanna get rid of. We wanna just use a little V-cut and get rid of that core where there's a lot of that tear duct formula, I like to call it, or the stuff that makes onions cry. So we'll do it on both sides. Just take out the core. And with this little V, this is a great indication of how we can go. I like to slice this way. So I follow the ribs, and I find that it creates a nice natural seam. Whereas if we go like this, we're gonna create more oil and more juice, and really that's what permeates it and goes up through our nostrils, and it makes us cry a little bit. So nice and easy. Do this all day. Perfect petals is really what we want. Look at that. That is the No More Tears formula from Chef Anthony on how to do an onion. I'll do the second one. And then boom. All right, look at that. That's one onion, pretty fast, 0 tears. I hope I solved your crying problems, at least for onions for the day. So hope everyone enjoys this and has fun chopping onions again. Enjoy.